Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We're changing out the second panel on this commercial door. It was hit with a forklift.
Oh my God!
The number 2 was the only one that was damaged. The number 3 is good and the bottom is good. Let me get after it.
All right, with changing out a panel, especially the number 2, you want to raise the door up, a couple 3 inches.
We'll vice grip it underneath a roller on both sides, so that way the door doesn't come down.
And then I like to stick a pair of vice grips on the cable on each side. I don't smash the cable just enough to make it hang on there. That's gonna add some weight.
Yeah, so when I back wind that spring and that cable starts getting loose, the weight of the vice grips are gonna keep the cable around the drum.
We're changing out the number 2 panel right here. So you want to go through and take the hinge screws loose on the number 2 and the number 3 where they connect.
So right now we gotta back wind it.
That's going to drop that panel down. That's going to drop the bottom for us to take out the number 2 and put the new one in.
Let's do this.
After back winding it, you see it drop down the 2 sections. Now we're going to extract the second one, put the new one in,
And then take that bar back out.
should be good to go.
There we go. Up and rolling. Took about 20 minutes.
Fastest boy.
There's the old panel. Working good, working good.
Yes, sir.
Hey, thanks for checking us out. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.